This video will demonstrate how to use multi-factor authentication, MFA, while logging into a website. We will cover push notifications, code generation, text verification, and call verification. If you need information on how to set up your device for MFA, please see the other documentation at sixtech.uncg.edu. If you are having issues with MFA, contact Sixtech to help resolve these issues. The first method we will cover is push notifications to the Microsoft Authenticator app. Log into a UNCG website by entering your full username, including @uncg.edu, at the sign-in screen, and then entering your password. As a side tip, always make sure the site you are logging into is secure by identifying the lock icon before the URL. After you submit your password, a push notification will be sent to your device. You can select the Don't Ask Again for 15 days option. This will remember you if you are using the same browser on the same machine on the same network. Back to the push notification. Either open the Microsoft Authenticator app or tap on the notification. You may need to unlock the app. Click Approve on the pop-up, unlock the app. Your verification should succeed and you can continue to the application you are accessing. We will now cover code generation. For this demonstration, we will be using the Microsoft Authenticator app. Again, log into a website using your UNCG username and password. With this method, you will need to enter a code from your app. Open the app. You may be prompted to unlock the app. Click on your account. Enter the code into the website. If successful, you should be able to go onto the website you were trying to access. This section will cover the option of receiving a code by text. Again, log into a UNCG website with your username and password. Microsoft will send you a text with a 6-digit code. Make sure you open the text and do not mistakenly use the number the text was sent from. Enter the 6-digit code into the website to finish the login process. The last MFA option is receiving a call. As always, make sure you log into a website using your username and password. Microsoft will give you a call. Listen to the instructions given, especially if you didn't initiate the call.
Thank you for using Microsoft's sign-in verification system. Please press the pound key to finish your verification. If you did not initiate this verification, someone may be trying to access your account. Please press £0 to submit a fraud alert. This will notify your company's IT team and block further verification attempts. Your sign-in was successfully verified. Goodbye.
This concludes the demonstration of various MFA methods available to use. If you need assistance with using MFA at UNCG, Sixtech has resources available to you. Reach out to them by either calling 336-256-8324, emailing at six-tech@uncg.edu, and by visiting the website at sixtech.uncg.edu.